Here's a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. Forge a bold path with its beautiful fusion of style and efficiency with a sporty presence and liberating economy. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.